Hey, what's up? Good night. So tonight I'm going to be making a little quick snack, if you may call it that. So what I'm going to be making is a chicken Alfredo. So it's not that difficult to make. I'm going to show you all the ingredients that I am using. You could add other stuff if you need and make it how you like. But I'm going to show you how I do it when I'm ready to make it very quick and fast. So of course, chicken Alfredo, you need your chicken. So this chicken, you can season it how you like it, really. I used all-purpose seasoning, roasted garlic and seasoning. I put a little soy sauce. I didn't put any salt because the seasonings contain salt. You're gonna need your whipping cream, heavy whipping cream or regular whipping cream. Heavy, either one works. You could even use milk, but these are better. You need your vegetables. Now you can mix and match it, whatever you like. These are already cooked or steamed. I have some sweet peppers that I chopped up. You could add more onions, more stuff, but I don't really like to see much of this stuff. And plus, this contains a lot of garlic and stuff, so yeah, I didn't bother to add it. Some sweet corn and some basil pesto. I usually like to use basil pesto from Echebre, but that's in Jamaica. I'm in Florida now, so I have none available, so I gotta go with this one. I like this one out. It tastes good, but my favorite pesto is from Echebre. It's a Jamaican company. Their pesto is very good. And of course, you're gonna need the pasta. These are cooked already, and I like to cook my pasta al dente. It means they're not too hard. And of course, my Parmesan cheese. I like to use the shaved Parmesan, and also the powdered. This is a very good powdered Parmesan. It's not too much fillers in this one. And yeah, I got my pot that I'm gonna make this oil heat up. And I got my stirrer. So the trick with this chicken, when you put it in the pot, you don't want to make it burn. So you constantly stir it so it doesn't get crispy. It's just going to be hard and a bit rubbery. So you want to constantly stir it as you put it in. Like I said, you stir it to not let it get too rubbery or burnt. Give it a little flip in the meantime. Like I said, I'm monitoring it. So I don't know why my video stopped, but yeah. All I did was to pour the heavy cream inside. That's all I did, pour the heavy cream inside. So let the chicken cook a little bit. At this point, you can actually start putting your Parmesan cheese inside. Hands washed, nails clean. Because you want to give the cheese a little time to melt. That's it. I like to put also the powdered into it too. You can put as much as you like. Actually, you can put. The cheese will melt and thicken. Give it a nice body. I'll put a little more cheese in lines. Yep. A little more cheese in lines. See that cheese melting? It's nice and gooey. It gives it that body. Nice and gooey. Nice and gooey. At this point, this chicken should be done, cooked. Should be done, should be cooked. At this point, I'm going to add my pesto. Now this too, you can do as much as you like. You can do 3 spoons, you can do 4 spoons. Hey, if you like pesto that much, you can do the whole thing. But I'm doing three forks full. Get all that extra off. I'm shaking that pesto into that. Oh my God, you see that green color? I'll turn my fire down because you don't want that cheese to burn. It's very thick. You can now add your vegetables. These are cooked already, as I said, so you're not cooking them, you're just incorporating it in the dish. See all that color? Yum-y. And I get my pasta, which is al dente. I'm gonna give it a little taste. I think Parmesan cheese usually has a little salt in it, so you wanna be careful that burns. Perfect. That's perfect. That's all you really need. Add my pasta in, and you can add more heavy cream if you think it's too thick, or if you think it needs more sauce. You can add more heavy cream. See that color? You could add more vegetables to this too to give it more color if you like, if that's your thing. Just gonna pop my corn open. I'm gonna drain the fluid out of the corn, the juice that comes in the corn. This is a small tin, so I'm putting everything inside of it. And you wanna stir that in. You want to stir that in. It's very late right now, so I don't even know why I'm cooking this late. But hey. And this is basically done. This is basically done. There you go, guys. Take a closer look. Restaurant style.